Hello everyone, this is Nikita Chaudhary from BALLB third year Lloyd Law College. My college is in Greater Noida, Delhi NCR. The surrounding of my college is so nice that all the students are so habituated with the comfort level of this college. Basically, we have great faculty over here who supports us in each and every circumstances of your life, whether you are going for an event or a moot or seminar or wherever. Your faculty is your backup. Moreover, the management of our college is the bestest. Our college provides greater facilities for your curriculums. It provides the other extracurricular facilities too. Moreover, our college conducts a lots of seminars from ex-judges of Supreme Court, High Court, and other academicians too. So it is the best place to study your law, to complete your law, and to excel in law. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shiraz Fazal from first semester and I am the student of Lloyd Law College. I am here to introduce Lloyd Law College to all of you, and I would like to say at the outset that Lloyd Law College provides the best faculty that there is in Greater Noida at the National Capital Region of India, and it provides the best infrastructure which can help you to evolve the legal debating skills that is required of a lawyer, and the argumentative skills that can only be developed through instructive education that is provided in Lloyd Law College. It has 2 moot courts and very good infrastructure, as you can see, that is around me. And the infrastructure which is provided is backed with the faculty that is very helpful and very knowledgeable and can help you to evolve very good debating skills that is required of a lawyer. Furthermore, I would also like to tell you that Lloyd Law College also boasts of a sprawling garden in which you can sit around and you can have a nice time. And Lloyd Law College provides a very good approach towards legal education, and it provides avenues for the internship approach, which is also very essential as the Bar Council of India has clearly mandated it for every law student. Furthermore, Lloyd Law College provides a very good approach towards the understanding of legal education and the legal skills that are required today in India. Lloyd Law College is a best approach and should be your best step towards the legal education that there can be in the field of legal education. In India, it is a very good college and it should be your destination if you want to learn about the legal skills that are required of a lawyer. The moot court, which is present in Lloyd Law College, is very good, and it has hosted many events of moot competition, which is very essential and the basic essence of a lawyer. It is very important for all of us to understand the importance of legal education, and hence Lloyd Law College should be your destination. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ronmi, and I belong to northeastern part of India. When I first heard about this college from my friends, I was a little nervous because it was so far away from home, and so. But then when I came here, I realized that it had amazing infrastructure, the green lushing lawns, and the classrooms are amazing. Very good library, and everyone's so friendly here. It is a non-free reg zone, and hi, my name is Ronmi, and I belong to the northeastern part of India. And when I first heard about this Lloyd Law College from my friends, I was a little nervous because it was so far away from home. But then when I came here, I realized that everything was great. The infrastructure is amazing, moot courts, and the library is also very good, and green rushing lawns, and the environment here is so friendly. Everyone's so friendly. There's no ragging. I did not face any ragging. It was completely safe, and the education provided here is quality. It's quality education, and everything. If you want to be a lawyer and want to be a successful lawyer in India, then you have to come to Lloyd Law College.
Hello everyone, my name is Henika. I'm the student of LLB first semester. Right now I'm standing in the finest colleges of India, which is Lloyd Law College. When it comes to the education of law, this is the best place to learn. You would have the finest and the best faculty and the best library. It has got all the material which help you in order to be a judge, or maybe if you want to get into advocacy, this is the place which can help you and can help you in order to get into the place uh, for what you have come down to a college. I would like to introduce all these students, and I would hand over this mic to one of my friends who is also a student of this college. You would have an idea that how finest college this has been, how many students are studying here. As you can see, this has a good building. Please speak to.
Hello, I am Anubhav Agrawal, pursuing BA first sem. Our college offers a friendly environment, a good campus, and also it is one of the reputed college offering good college, good faculties, and everything. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Akriti Ashwar of Lloyd Law College of BLLB first sem. Our college, the environment of our college is very friendly. The infrastructure is also very good. The faculty members are very helpful, and thank you. I would like to give this mic to one of my senior.
Thank you. So this is Piyush Tiwari, pursuing BLLB, third sem. As my juniors have stated that the faculty is very good, but apart from everything, there's interactive sessions going on in our college. We have extracurricular activities, and our campus is also very green. Thank you.
Good morning, guys. This is Shreya Sharma standing in front of you on mid of the campus of Lloyd Law University. You can see behind me the university, the great infrastructure we are having in our university. Along with the infrastructure, we're not having only infrastructure, but yeah, along with the infrastructure, we're also having the great qualified and experienced faculty who will teach you the real aspects of law, who will not teach you the theoretically, but they'll also tell you what practically law is all about. Now, along with the experienced faculty, we are also having practical things like moot court committees. We have research team. We have law placement committee, which will develop skills in yourself that will teach you exactly how you need to implement the law. And as we all know that something that we have in discipline is entirely different from which we have in practical. So in Lloyd Law University, a college, you'll get a platform where you come to know along with the theoretical aspects, the practical aspects also. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Aman Gautam. I'm a student of final year LLB 3-year program here in Lloyd Law College. You can see the campus behind me. This is a great college. We have great infrastructure along with experienced faculty. When I joined Lloyd Law College back in 2013, I did a sort of research work and I found that this is the best college we have around here for the law course, and we have great staff, experienced teachers, and we have placement cell which really helps the students in getting placed to some great law firms that we have around here in Delhi and NCR. Along with that, the students get practical exposure like the visits to Delhi High Court and also to the Supreme Court of India. Besides that, we also have the local Thana visits that is conducted by the Lloyd Law College, and also the visit to the nearest Greater Noida Court, Surajpur Court. We also have a great library which is equipped with the most latest books for the Lloyd for the students, and that's all I have to say about this college. It's a nice college which is connected with the outer parts of the Delhi, and so that the students doesn't face any problem in coming to the college. It is connected through bus routes and also with the metro. The students here are really enjoying their course. I really enjoyed being a part of this college. The faculty is really great. The cafeteria is good. The infrastructure you can see here, the lush green uh, park that we have around here. So thank you very much. Lloyd is being nice. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tanya Anand, and I've come all the way from Jharkhand to Greater Noida to study in Lloyd Law College. And I guess this is like the best decision I have ever made because this college is brilliant. The courses are quite comprehensive and the subject is taught in a very easy manner. The faculty of our college is very nice, especially that of the higher semesters. They're very nice. Plus, the infrastructure of our college is very cool. You can find CCD over there. We've got canteen on my right hand side, and we've got places to hang out as well in our college. The greenery is amazing. We've got lawns everywhere. The classrooms are very nice, and yeah, to convert the study of law, of the theoretical study of law into a practical way, our college organizes various activities like moot courts, debates, client consultation. So they organize these things in inter as well as national level. And last to last year, there was client consultation organized in our college, Lewis M. Brown client consultation organized by our college. Then we had the SARC moot court competition organized in our college this year. They were the national rounds, but in March, we'll be organizing the international rounds as well. Also, the 30th BCI moot court competition had been organized in our college last year. So yeah, everything is pretty cool and our college is very nice. Like I said, it's like the best decision I have ever made in my life. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Dilpreet and I am from Lloyd Law College. I am basically from Bathinda and I've come all the way from Bathinda to this college to study. I've chosen this college through online and I'm very overwhelmed that I came to this college. So now I would really like to tell you about this college, like about the infrastructure, the faculty, my friends, and up here. Okay. So though my friends are also here, they'll be also talking about it. This is my third year in this college, and it has been an amazing experience since then. This co- okay, and talking about the faculty, they give us projects to to enhance our research works and throughout the year in our particular subjects. Though, and talking about the environment, this is very green. You can see over here we have plantation also by the by very good dignitaries, and there are many events that our college organizes like BCI moot courts and this client consultation competition, and recently it also organized SARC moot competition, which is not only on the national level but also on the international level as well, and which also gives us the opportunity to interact with many students outside the college, and which helps us exploring many good things about many other things about the subjects. So that is how I just love my college and my friends too. I love you guys. Thank you. We love you too. Bye. Thank you.